Rover built garage. Looking at building a truck storage system. Going to be doing the build for Mobile Vintage Motors. Check them out if you're local in Southwest Florida. What we're building is a truck bed storage system. I'm following the plans that I got from Backyard Woodshop. Thank you for the plans. I've already made some cuts. I've got some 10-inch sides, so 9.5-inch sides, because I'm using hardboard for the floor of the boxes, of the drawers. And then I'm also going to use some hardboard on the bottom of the box to help tighten it.